Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play a new Apex legend using an easy method. First, dive into the firing range to get a feel for their unique abilities. Spend at least 15 minutes experimenting with their tactical, passive, and ultimate skills. This hands-on approach helps you understand cooldowns and effective ranges. Then, try out different weapon combinations to see what synergizes best with their kit. This foundational practice is crucial for building confidence and skill. Every legend brings a distinct set of abilities to the battlefield. Your tactical ability, often on a short cooldown of around 20 to 30 seconds, is your primary tool for engagements or escapes. The passive ability provides a constant, subtle advantage, like faster healing or increased movement speed. Your ultimate, with a longer charge time of 2 to 4 minutes, can turn the tide of a fight. Knowing these intimately helps you fulfill your role effectively within your squad. The early game is critical for setting up your success. Aim to land in a less contested area, but one with good loot, to ensure you can quickly find a shield, 2 weapons, and some healing. Within the first 90 seconds, you should have basic gear. Always be mindful of the ring and potential enemy pushes. Positioning is key. Use your legend's movement or defensive abilities to gain an advantage, whether it's high ground or cover, before engaging in a fight. As the game progresses, rotations become paramount. Try to move into the next ring early, securing strong positions like high ground or choke points. Constant communication with your squad is vital for coordinating attacks and sharing information about enemy movements. Deploy your ultimate ability at crucial moments, perhaps to initiate a push or defend against an aggressive team. Always adapt your strategy based on the number of remaining squads and your team's current resources, aiming for that victory.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.